Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying your Veo 3 and environment. Power on, confirm firmware and battery level so you avoid mid-recording failures. Once done, position the camera 6 to 10 feet high for optimal 16:9 framing. Make sure the tripod is secure because motion ruins tracking. Then choose Auto Record or Hit Record manually and verify the SD card has sufficient space. This initial setup ensures clean footage and lets the tracking algorithm capture player movement accurately from the first second. You now configure tracking and recording parameters to get usable footage. First, pick the sport profile and resolution. 1080p saves space, 4K gives more crop room. Choose based on your SD capacity. Then adjust follow mode and detection sensitivity so the camera follows primary action without jitter. Lower sensitivity reduces false pans. Next, define boundary limits or place calibration markers so the AI understands the play area. Make these changes early because the algorithm uses them throughout the session for steady, accurate framing. You finish by stopping the recording and handling files correctly. Safely eject the SD card and transfer originals to your computer to avoid corruption. Once transferred, open Veo Studio or upload to the cloud to trim, add camera-driven highlights, and export in the needed format. If something goes wrong, tracking drift, missing pans, first inspect the lens for dirt, recalibrate markers, and reboot the camera firmware. These steps usually resolve AI tracking errors and prevent repeat issues on the next session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.